Hey guys, and welcome to Monday Minutes with Gabi. Today I'm going to be sharing an easy tip that my family loves to do to save money. The things that you will need is a jar that you can put in an easily accessible place for the whole family to find, and you can go to your bank and ask for coin rolls. So here's how it works. You put the jar in a place that the whole family can access, and then at the end of the day, when everyone's home, they gather up their change from the day and put it in the jar. So then, whenever the jar is full, you get to open the jar and pour all the change out. So then, now that you have all of this change, the whole family gets to participate in counting the change. Each person could get a coin, or you could divide it up, whatever you want to do, whatever fits your family. But then you sort, and then you put them into the coin rolls. So the pennies go in the 50-cent rolls. The nickels go in $2 rolls, the dimes go in $5 rolls, and then last of all, the quarters go in $10 rolls. So this is just a fun activity, a great way to save money, and it involves the whole family. Usually we end up getting about $30 once the jar is full, and whenever we sort the money and take it to the bank, then we do something fun with the money. We call this our fun money jar. So this is a little idea for your family to use. So let me know how your family likes the fun money jar. And also comment below to let me know if your family has any money saving tips. Thanks for watching. Happy savings. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.